Welcome to KitchenTableLand. We're doing a project today about a seed jar. We're going to see how seeds germinate. Remember when seeds germinate, they break out of their seed coat and roots go down and the stems and leaves go up. The stems and leaves go up. Here's a seed jar that I started a couple days ago. If you look really closely at it, you can see that the seeds have germinated and started to grow. You can see the roots going down and the green stems and the baby leaves coming out. So this is something you can try at home. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so for this project, you'll need a jar, plastic or glass, either one is fine, and some paper towels, and some water, and some seeds. I have seeds that come in packages, but seeds also, you can buy them at the store, or you may have some already. Hopefully you have them already. These are beans that I've soaked in water, and you can see they've started to swell up. That's what helps seeds break out of their seed coats. They soak up the water and they get bigger, and then they break out like we saw in the seed jar. So let me fish these out of here. Take these seeds out. We have a few different kinds of seeds here. We have bush beans. We have Roma beans. These are Cherokee Trail of Tears beans. They're beautiful black beans. We also have a couple peas. Cascadia peas. And I'm going to add to them some lentils. Lentils are good food. So hopefully when they grow in the seed jar, we can move them to the garden. I'll take you on a field trip to the community garden sometime. And maybe some anise seeds for our butterfly friends. Just a couple. Okay, let's get our jar set up. Okay, let's make our seed jar. First, let's fold up some paper towels. Let's fold them neatly. Or try to. So that they fit in the jar all the way around the outside. We'll put them inside. Those are a little too big for the jar, so let's fold them in half. Again. There, that's much better. And then we'll crunch up some other ones and fill up the middle of the jar. Oops, I almost dropped that one. There we go. Now you can see that around the outside, the paper towels are pressed to the outside of the jar. Okay, so I have some stilts for tiny creatures. Actually, they're chopsticks. I'm going to use these chopsticks to move the paper towels away from the side of the jar so I can get the beans in. There we go. They're nice and cozy now. You don't want to hurt the new seeds, so be gentle with them. Remember, I soaked these overnight, so they're a little wet. You can feel them. Maybe I'll put another couple over here on this side. Here's some lentils. And maybe some anise seeds for the butterflies. These are little tiny seeds. Look how small they are. They kind of remind me of carrot seeds. They're in the same family. Okay. Now you can see that we've got the seeds arranged in there kind of nicely. And we're going to add a little water. You can do it with your hands, sprinkle it on with your hands. Or if you're really careful and you tilt it, you can just put a little bit of water in like that. Gently along the edge. And the paper towels soak up all the water. See a little bit of water in the bottom there, just a little bit. Let's pour a little bit in the middle. Now the paper towel's in the middle. You don't want it too wet, and just carefully press the paper towel so that they are touching the edge of the jar. And there you go. There's your seed jar. And if you put it in a warm place, in just a couple of days, you'll start to see the seeds grow. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that project. We're going to do some fun things later too. I'll read you some stories, and we're going to take a field trip to the community garden to see what's growing there. Okay guys, it's been great having you here in my home. I know that you guys are being safe and helpful and aware and respectful and kind while you're staying safe at home. So I'll see you again soon. Have a great day.